What is up, gang? Back with another video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a motherfucking friend. Alright, so this video is a little different. It's not about my business. This is not about any tip. This is not about advice. This is not therapy session. It's none of that. This is a unboxing video, and I want to show you guys these new shipment that I got in. They are a pair of lashes, of course, but I'm gonna do my review. So I just got it today. These are from DHgate. If you know the app, you're familiar with it. If you're not familiar with the app, it's just like Alibaba, AliExpress, Chinese vendors. They sell everything, any and everything that you need. DHgate sells it. I will leave all the information in the description below. Anything in this video will be in the description below, so do not think you're missing out. Alright, so let's get started. I got the package today. It comes like this. I want to make sure my address is not on here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cross it up right now because I don't want to be like, oh, I know where she lives, and so. Alright, so alright, that's good. So here's the package, how it looks. It's nice. It has everything, you know, like a regular package. Alright, so I ordered 8 pairs of lashes for $27. They are 25mm minks. I have already looked at them, y'all, but they're so fire. And we gonna unbox it. So I bought 8. They all come really packaged, pretty nice, not too messed up. Bam. They didn't give me no coupons. Alright, so these will be on my site, but my site is down right now until further notice because I'm trying to make it fleet for y'all. But here's some right here. They're pretty long. I will definitely take some out the package so you guys can really get a good look of how they look in person. I have not unpackaged these yet. They're all still wrapped up. They're all still wrapped in the paper. I do have a lot more you guys can see. Bam. Okay, you get the picture. So guys, they look really long. Like, I'm talking about dramatic long. Like these, long story short, they're beautiful as hell. But the thing is, actually guys, I take that back. The reason why they're so long is because they're 5D. They are 5D. What I did when I was ordering these, I made sure that they were a mixed style, meaning they just randomly pick the styles that they're gonna send. Like, you could either choose a style that you want, or you could have a mixed style. It does not matter. But I chose a mixed style because I want a mixed style. I didn't want to choose a style. So I see what they did there. They just basically sent 2 of each of the style. So yeah, these are 5D lashes. They are 25mm minks. They are not 3D minks. They are 5D minks. So I'll keep those right there. But I'm gonna show y'all one of them. And I do not touch my lashes. I don't, y'all. I use a pair of tweezers, and I have to sanitize the ends every single time. Just because I do use them on some of my lashes. I have lash tweezers, but if I'm like demonstrating something, I just pop these out. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we are unpackaging these. Oh, I'm excited. And best believe I will be saving these because they're going right back in here when people start purchasing them. Alright, so Of course, you can see them again. I'm gonna slide them out. Y'all, these 5 minks is long. Like, long. Ooh. Y'all, these are really fleek. These are thebomb.com. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all, they are really soft. My hands are clean, people. My hands are definitely clean. I just want to show y'all how bomb this is. Alright. You can see a little bit of that on the side. Boom. Alright. I really wish, y'all, when I get this camera, the whole shebang, I'm talking about my YouTube videos will be thebomb.com. And I could start adding like the picture of where I got these from, you know. Like, I know y'all watch the YouTube and y'all saw like in the corner, like, I'll put something right here, I'll put something right here. But yeah, I wish I could show y'all a picture, but I will definitely leave this information in the description box. The OCD, y'all, it's just not working out for me. It has to be straight, because I don't want it to mess up. All right, boom. We good. Ooh, I plan on selling all 8 of these babies. All 8. All right, y'all. So again, this is from DHgate. The app is a app store app. I really love these though. They're so cute. But me personally, I can't wear these. I can stay with the natural length because I wear glasses, like I said, and this length don't work for me. But thank you guys for tuning in to my unboxing of the DHgate. Like I said, if you are new to my channel or if you are with a friend, tell your friend to subscribe. Okay? Don't forget to tell a friend, like, share. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. And don't forget to check out my website.